with most of the doughs to understand if they're good. You touch. If they come back, see, they're good. We need to measure. You can see here, and we need 200. 200. Yeah. Boom. Pastry. It's lemon because we have a lot of lemon trees in Portugal, and cinnamon. Yes.
You took turmeric in Portuguese cooking?
Also due to India too. But here we are not using for the flavor, we are using to have some yellow color.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's perfect. Okay. Just to mix everything. Yellow. Okay, it's boiling now. See?
Yeah,
So, yes. Bench, counter, really well floured.
So it doesn't stick on it.
Exactly, because if the margarine starts coming out from the pastry and it glues here, mess. So we grab it here on the edges, okay, and we open. You can understand that it's super elasticity.
Oh yeah.
See?
It's very stretchy.
Because the gluten has worked. Then you close like an envelope. Close these ones, just to understand. Okay. Again, flour. Okay. And then now we start with the rolling pin. I like to give some punches, just to understand the consistency. See? It's strong. We will not break it. Okay. Start just stretching.
So how do you do it with the butter then if it's that, or do you leave the butter out to melt a little bit?
Just like
soften?
5 minutes.
Okay.
And then you need to boom, boom.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, on this direction now. So now we will start with the folds. We move it here, touch it here, and here. Then
Oh no, it's
here.
like air.
We don't have butter, or in this case margarine, so
Cut that out.
we can cut it, yeah. Not too much.
Oh, there's lots of it.
So we have the double this way, so never stretch from here to here, always this way, okay? Which way?
This way.
Exactly. And now we will stretch till really thin.
Check it
I
out.
will show you. Here, touch it. Here. See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
It's coming out, the margarine?
A little bit. So, but it's almost done. When you have, look here. See?
Oh, all that.
All that margarine.
Yeah.
Wow.
And if we were work with butter, this is happening all the time.
Oh.
And I will do the first and you will do the rest. So now we roll,
Oh.
but we roll like this. So thumbs, we'll do the turmeric. Thumbs, and then rolling really tight. We don't want air. Okay? This is it, okay? At least like 2 hours in the fridge.
Okay.
That's why we are working on the margarine. Understand the consistency.
Oh, that is really thick.
See?
It's like, wait, it's like cola. Do I tell this or?
Yes.
Just one little pinch of salt?
Just a little pinch of salt, just to balance. That are too high. I prefer this.
The flat ones?
Yes, and they are also better if they have this. I don't. the
Oh yeah.
okay.
Oh, the line. So now it's cooled down in the fridge for like...
A little
We put it
bit.
only for 10 minutes or so. Oh.
We have a really good Indian restaurant in Lisbon. Well, it's not even a restaurant, it's kind of a canteen from the Hindu temple.
Oh, really?
It's so good, it's vegan and it's really good.
So you cut them into slices like
Yes,
it's about half an inch.
like this. Then we put it here. Soak and then clean. And just one soaking for each pastry. Okay? And then we press. Okay? Don't press too much because you can break the dough.
Is that enough? Or?
I think it's good. Now, soak the thumb.